Hey y'all, welcome back to Black Mamas Do Science. This time we'll be making lava lamps and mason jars. So we hope you're excited to see this next experiment. Hey y'all, so the ingredients that you'll need for our lava lamp experiment are mason jars. You'll need cooking oil, and then you'll also need food coloring and water. And then the last thing you'll need are Alka Seltzer tablets. Okay moms, so there is a little prep for our experiment before you get started. This is what I did to prep Dax for this experiment. I went ahead and I filled some squirt bottles up with colored water. You probably only need to fill it up maybe a fourth of a way. You don't need a whole bunch of water. And then I also filled our mason jars up with vegetable oil. You'll probably need to fill those up 3/4 of a way, just to make sure that when you add the water, the jar will be almost full. And then also you'll need to go ahead and break up your Alka Seltzer tablets. So you don't want to just throw one whole tablet into the mix. Okay y'all, Dex and I are ready to show you how to do this experiment. So now that you have everything prepped, go ahead and sit down, and what you'll need to do is you'll need to squirt your colored water into the cooking oil. And so when you do that, you'll notice that the cooking oil won't mix with the water and it'll kind of move all around in the mason jar. I definitely had to keep Dax from sticking his hand into everything during this experiment. So if you see me just dodging him every which way, that was the best way to make sure that he didn't make a mess or try to dump the cooking oil before we were ready. Okay y'all, so once you have added your water into your cooking oil in the mason jar, this is the most interactive part with your kids, and so you can let them, especially if they're younger like mine is, go ahead and add the broken up Alka Seltzer tablets into the mixture. And when you do that, that is the lava lamp effect that you'll see. So you'll see the Alka Seltzer start to bubble, and then the colors will start jumping around in your mason jar. So after you've added the Alka Seltzer tablets to your lava lamp, then what you'll do is just go ahead and close it up, and then you can keep it. And I let Dax play around with it as much as he wanted to. He definitely wanted to squirt some more colored water into other bowls, just because he thinks that's fun. So moms, if you have older kids, I would sit down with them and try out this experiment a couple of different ways. You can also try maybe not adding as much oil to the top and dropping a whole tablet of Alka Seltzer into it, and then closing the lid and see what that does. Or you can just add some salt to it too. So let us know in the comments if you tried any of those other ways, and tell us how it went. So y'all, this is the science behind our lava lamp experiment. So you'll notice that when you add the water to the oil, that the water sinks down to the bottom and the oil will sit on top. So then when you add your Alka Seltzer tablets, what happens is the Alka Seltzer tablets sink all the way to the bottom, and then they'll start to dissolve. And as it dissolves, it makes carbon dioxide. And so this gas or air is lighter than the water, so it floats to the top, and the air bubbles bring the colored water up with it, which gives it the lava lamp effect that you see. So this was definitely a super fun experiment for us, and it was really quick and easy, and there weren't as many ingredients as other experiments. So we hope you enjoyed this. Let us know in the comments what you did and how it worked for you. So this experiment was super fun for us, and Dax loved it. If you haven't seen the clips before of him squirting the water all over the place, that's definitely a blooper you'll need to see. But he had so much fun squirting and shaking his lava lamp, and so we hope you had as much fun as we did. Let us know in the comments how it went, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye. You ready? Say we just got done with our next experiment. Say we made lava lamps. Are you so excited? Lava lamps. Say I made lava lamps. Oh, okay. This is rude. You're just gonna knock me in my throat. Okay, we'll see you later. I'll keep my own lava lamps then, Dax. Hey, Dax. All right.